Hello anglers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mayekar and Sons Fishing Tech. Guys, today I'm up with a video on Pioneer Cyclone Plus CYC 6000 Plus. So let's start with this features. This is the reel. You can see this is the reel Cyclone Plus. So I'll just give some briefing about this reel. So let's start. So this reel says it has 5+1 precision ball bearings. So when you have more ball bearings, the smoothness of the reel increases. So you can see the reel is very smooth. Then it says dual color anodized aluminum spool. So it has dual color anodized aluminum spool. This is black with silver, and it also has tiny holes which releases the heat to keep the reel cool. Then it has left-right interchangeable die-cast nylon handle. So this is the handle, and you can change it to left and right, anywhere, any side according to your preferences. It also says soft rubber knob. It has a soft rubber knob which gives you a good grip to hold. The rubber knob is very nice. This reel also has anti-reverse system. This is the anti-reverse lock. It also has a grip given on the spool, which doesn't allow the braid to slip off. This is the one of the best quality what Pioneer gives, because most of the time when you try to reel up a braid on this, it gives a lot of problem while reeling up. So because of this, the braid stays intact on one place. So I'll just show you how this reel looks from inside. So this is the inner part of this reel. And this is the drag sound of the reel. It has a good sound. The guys over there who are for bait fishing, they would love this reel because they mostly look for a good drag sound. And this reel is not that heavy also, so it can be used for spinning as well as for bait fishing as well. So I'll just tell you the gear ratios and the line capacity of this reel. So the gear ratio of this reel is 5.1:1, and the line capacity it gives is 0.45 mm will go up to 195 meters, and 0.50 mm will go up to 155 meters. 0.60 mm will go up to 110 meters. So you can see it gives a good line capacity. So all the anglers over there doing bait fishing will love this reel, because for bait fishing people look for more line capacity, and this reel gives you more capacity. So all around this reel is really nice.